Good morning, my dear students. Welcome back to online English class. And today we will do work in your English workbook. Okay, so please open book page number 79. See, beta, this is book page number 79. Words in action. Exercise A. Match these words. See, beta, here you have given two boxes, and in each box some words are given. Now you have to match them to make a correct sentence. Okay, ship, ship of tea, no. Now match with the another one, ship of the desert, right match, so draw a line. Okay, now the next word is cup. See the left box, second word is cup. Cup. Now let us read the words given at right one by one. Cup of tea, right match, draw a line. Next word is king. See the left box, and the third word is king. Now look at right. King of water, no. Okay, king of the jungle, this is right match, so draw a line. Now look at left. The next group of words is 200 bottles. Now look at right. Only one option is left, so we will draw a line and match it 200 bottles of water. Okay, now we have ship of the deserts, desert, cup of tea, king of the jungle, 200 bottles of water. Now see beta, here exercise B is given to you. Now use these groups of words in the blanks below. Here we have given some blank space, okay, and we have to fill these groups of words that are given in exercise A. okay, आफ्टर मैचिंग जो हमने ग्रुप्स ऑफ वर्ड्स बनाए हैं उनको हमने बी एक्सरसाइज में करेक्ट प्लेस पे फिल करना है. ओके, नाउ फर्स्ट वन इज अ कैमल कैन ड्रिंक. व्हाट कैन अ कैमल ड्रिंक? अ कैमल कैन ड्रिंक, राइट, 200 bottles of water. So write it and complete this sentence. Sentence number 2 is the camel is the ship of the desert. Now complete this sentence also. Third one is that is a dash. It is not a cup of coffee. That is a cup of tea. Complete this sentence also. Fourth one, the lion is the dash. Yes, here will come the lion is the king of the jungle. Now page number 79 is complete, and let us move to the next page, page number 8080. Okay, look at exercise C. Show the difference in the first sound of these words by writing them into groups. So beta, first of all we will read all the words given in the rectangle shaped box. Okay, first one is this, then that, then thin, thank, there, these, thorn, thick, thing, the. Beta, all these words starts with TH letters. Okay, and all of you know TH letters make two sounds. One is the sound and another is th sound. Okay, so now we will write these words in two groups. One group will be the sound group and another group will be th sound words group. Okay, so we will read the word and write them in the given blanks. One column is given at left and one is at right. Okay, so first word is this. It is already written at left. The sound words we will write at left. Okay, and the sound words we will write at right side. Okay beta. Now next word is this and that. After that, next word is thin. It's a th sound word, so we will write it at right. Next word is thank. Again th sound word, so again we will write it at right. Next word is there. It's a the sound word, so we will write it at left. Okay, next is, now let us move to the next line, and in the next line the next word is these. Again a the sound word, so we will write it at left. Then next word is thorn. Th sound word, th sound word. Then we will write it at left. At right. Next word is thick. Again th sound. So again we will write this word at right. Next word is thing. And thing is also a th sound word. So we will write it at right. Next word is the. And we will write this word at left because it has the sound. Okay beta. So now let us check the words given at left that you have wrote on left. Okay, wrote at left. Yes, this, that, there, these, the. Now check the words given written at right. Thin, thank, thorn, thick, thing. Okay. Exercise D. Read and write these words. Beta, now you have to read and write all the words given in the rectangle shaped box. The words are bush, fish, brush, wash. You have noticed that all the words end with the sh sound, and sh make sh sound. Okay, bush, fish, brush and wash. So write these sh sound words in the given on the given line. Okay, now let us discuss exercise E. Arrange the jumbled words into proper sentence. बेटा यहाँ पर आपको जो सेंटेंस दिया गया है उसमें वर्ड्स का प्लेस चेंज कर दिया गया है. ओके, नाउ यू हैव टू अरेंज द वर्ड्स इन प्रॉपर सेंटेंस इन राइट सीक्वेंस, इन राइट ऑर्डर. ओके, स्टार्ट विद अ कैपिटल लेटर, और जब आप सेंटेंस राइटिंग करोगे देन यू विल स्टार्ट राइटिंग अ सेंटेंस विद अ कैपिटल लेटर. फर्स्ट वर्ड का फर्स्ट लेटर कैपिटल राइट किया जाएगा. ओके, punctuation marks are in brackets. Punctuation marks are given in the brackets, so accordingly you have to arrange the words into proper sentence. Okay beta, first one, see beta, in the bracket question mark is given, so we have to arrange the words in a question sentence. Okay, so the sentence will be, what is this? What is this? And in the end of a question sentence, we put a question mark. Next is number 2. And here in the end of the sentence, full stop is given in the bracket. Okay. Yes. So, eat mushroom is a. In the right sentence will be, it is a mushroom. Next sentence is pretty it, and full stop is given in the brackets. So we will form a simple sentence. Okay, it is pretty. Next one is it don't eat, and full stop is given in the bracket, so it will be a statement. Okay, and the statement will be don't eat it, and place full stop in the end of all the statements, and place full stop in and place question mark in the end of a question sentence. Okay, now let us discuss exercise F. Draw and write. Here you have to draw some missing body parts and you will complete the name of them. Okay, beta. You will write on the dots and complete the name of those missing body parts. Okay. So first one, her mouth. Here in this picture you will draw mouth of this girl. Okay, and write on the dots and complete it. Next, her nose. In the second picture, draw her nose. Okay, and write on the dots. Next is his hair. Now draw his hair. Okay, in the third picture and write on the dots. Fourth is his head, and in the fourth picture you will draw his head. Okay, this boy's head is missing, so draw it and write on the dots and complete the words. Okay, now let us move to page number 8 to 82. Okay, writing practice. Exercise A. Fill in the blanks with the words given below. And the words are dance, sing, has, are, have, art, play. By using these words, you have to complete the incomplete sentences. Okay, you will fill the dashes. Now let us read. Let us start reading. Aarti and Rahul like their school. Aarti and Rahul like their school. Now these sentences are about their school. Okay, first one, it dash a big playground. So here will come has. It has a big playground. Second sentence, there dash swings and a slide. अब आपको पता है बेटा देयर के साथ किसका यूज होता है, आर का. ओके, सो हेयर विल कम आर. देयर आर स्विंग्स एंड अ स्लाइड. वहाँ स्विंग्स और स्लाइड हैं. स्विंग्स हैं और एक स्लाइड है. ओके, थर्ड वन, द चिल्ड्रन डैश अ काइंड टीचर. द चिल्ड्रन have. Okay, here will come have. The children have a kind teacher. Fourth one, they dash songs. They, here will come the verb sing songs and dash games and play games. Okay, they sing songs and play games. Fifth sentence, Rahul likes the dash class. Now look at the picture. Rahul is drawing here in this picture. So here will come word art. Okay. Rahul likes the art class. Aarti enjoys the dash class. Look at Aarti. She is dancing. So here will come dance. Aarti enjoys the dance class. Okay. Exercise B. Now write about your school. Beta, this space is given to you for writing about your school. Okay. Here you will write about your school. अपने स्कूल के बारे में लिखिए जो भी आपको पता है. आपके स्कूल का नेम, उसकी बिल्डिंग कैसी है, बिग है, स्मॉल है, और उसमें क्या क्या है, प्लेग्राउंड है या नहीं है. यू कैन राइट अबाउट द स्विमिंग पूल. ओके, सो दिस यू हैव टू complete by your own. Okay, make some sentences and write them here. Okay beta, do it very carefully, neatly and beautifully. Okay beta, thank you and goodbye.